let's understand how to create a cancel order option in your chatbot. It's a simple one-step process. Click on the order cancel node here, connect the start node with the order cancel node, select the exactly cancel my order option, edit, and set the required time window for your customers to cancel this specific order, and save workflow. Ensure that the chatbot is on. Now let's test the chatbot and figure out if it's working. So let's test live the cancel order option. Let's directly select the option cancel my order. Yeah, and now the option is coming. So I just need to type in cancel. As you can see, the order has been cancelled and the chatbot has reacted to the customer in the right message that is. That's all for today. See you in the next video and have a great day ahead. Goodbye.